tiny hands, big dreams. The Dubai Future Museum rises from the ground. Every glass panel lifted, every beam placed, each spark of welding brings this vision to life. Curved metal frames take shape, merging art and innovation in every stroke. Bridges of imagination connect the different sections of this futuristic wonder. Solar panels gleam, powered by sunlight and creativity, while intricate sculptures are welded with precision. Holographic displays are moved carefully into place, and the rooftop eco-garden begins to bloom, green and serene, harmonizing with the futuristic architecture. Fina, Lee, the miniature workers stand proudly in front of the fully constructed museum, holding UAE flags high. Fireworks lighting up the sky behind them. From tiny efforts to monumental achievements, the spirit of teamwork, innovation, and vision shines bright. Dubai's future is built today, one tiny step at a time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.